Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around this lovely T-Cross SEL we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely Reef blue metallic paintwork. It features the 1.0 TSI petrol engine producing 115 PS and that's mounted to a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox as well. Now being an approved used car from ourselves, you've got your 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. If you need any more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. To the front there, you've got your full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You've got your power folding heated wing mirrors there for extra convenience, as well as privacy glass from the B pillar backward, aiding in sun protection for your rear passengers. If you jump into the rear of the vehicle, you've got the signature SEL interior, with the part cloth, part leather seats. You've got ISOFIX points on the outer seats there as well. Got a little bit of storage as well as a couple of USB ports, so your rear passengers can charge the devices while on the move. There's also plenty of legroom and headroom also on offer. Just move on to the rear of the vehicle. You've got a generous amount of boot space on offer, with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. You have 60/40 split folding seats available as well, so plenty of room in here for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You do get front and rear parking sensors fitted as well. There's also an optionally fitted rear view camera which I'll show shortly. Just jump into the front of the vehicle now, just give you a closer look at those lovely seats. Just got your armrest there and also lumbar support to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Got a touchscreen infotainment system and a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel on offer as well. That concludes a 360 walk around. Just going to jump behind the wheel in a moment and go through some interior features. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. It's just behind the wheel now on the left hand side, you've got your volley controls, adaptive cruise control settings, as well as your assistance systems on board such as your lane assist. On the right hand side, controls of information on this digital display. You've got your different driving data in here such as your range, miles per gallon and much more. You can have your speed in digital form as well, so a little bit easier to read. As we move on to the brilliant infotainment screen, you've got digital radio, so plenty of storage here for your favourite radio stations. Got a huge range of options to choose from, the DAB station list as well to keep you entertained on the move at all times. Got multiple media inputs also available, so CD player and SD card slot, nicely hidden away in the glove box. A couple of USB ports and of course your Bluetooth connectivity for your phone calls and also your music streaming. Got sat navigation on board as well with spoken instructions to those unfamiliar journeys. It also shows points of interest such as petrol stations, car parks, restaurants and much more. Alongside this, you'll also benefit from the brilliant AppConnect system, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. It's an absolutely fantastic system there. And your front and rear parking sensors of audible warnings, and again at that optionally fitted rear view camera providing fantastic rear visibility. A little bit further down the cabin now, you've got dual zone climate control to keep driver and front passenger comfortable at all times. It's nice and easy to operate even whilst driving. You can just set your temperature and leave it in automatic. And just below there you've got a little bit of storage and a couple of USB ports allowing you to charge multiple devices. A couple of cup holders down the centre and a little bit of storage under the armrest there as well for any valuables you might want to keep out of sight. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or would like to book in for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'd be more than happy to assist further. And don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks so much for watching and take care.